Ladies and gentlemen, it is officially 10:59. I'm pretty sure the tornado sound I'm recording is about right there. So I'm pretty sure I'm at the closest I can go, so okay. So you can barely see the siren, but it kind of sounds like a distance away from Siren Con. That's where it was last May. So today is Wednesday, July 2nd, the first Wednesday, and it's about to test soon. Probably. There it goes! I'm gonna get a close-up view. God, I gotta get a close-up view. Gotta get a good close-up view. Okay guys, that was it.